In 1979, a new generation of the Mercedes-Benz S-Class took over from the model range 116. Initially, it included 7 types. In 1981, a coupe version supplemented the choice. The new S-Class of range 126 symbolized the changing spirit of automobile production and clearly showed that the often Baroque body styles of the 70s were finally over. Despite initial criticism, the 126s turned out to be a successful endeavor. Fuel-saving measures were significant in these new upper-range models. This was accomplished by the use of lightweight materials, plus a body that was optimized in the wind tunnel. 2 variants were for sale, the regular saloon and a long version with a lengthened wheelbase of 140 millimeters. The engine selection of the S-Class went from a 2.8-liter 6-cylinder carburetor, output 156 horsepower, to a 5-liter V8 light metal engine with fuel injection, boosted to 240 horsepower. In line with the Mercedes-Benz energy concept to reduce fuel consumption and emissions, both V8 engines were respecified in 1981. For the first time, automatic seat adjustment was incorporated into a Mercedes-Benz passenger car. The plush, spacious interior permitted comfortable travel in all seats. Seat belts were adjustable for all sizes. A new age of passive safety commenced in 1981. The first airbag was fitted into the S-Class. Together with a seatbelt preload device and ABS, they soon were part of the standard series equipment.
Das ist für mich der Gipfel der Sicherheit. Bei einem Frontalaufprall macht es pft und in 30 Millisekunden bläst er sich auf.
In 1985, Mercedes-Benz introduced a re-engineered type program. Aside from small visual modifications, the engines were the foreground. Type 420 SE replaced the former 380 SE. A V8 204 horsepower engine with catalytic converter was incorporated into the SEC Coupe and the SL Roadster. The most dazzling novelty of the year was undoubtedly the 560 SEL. Its 272 horsepower 8-cylinder made it the strongest of Mercedes-Benz's mass-produced passenger cars. In 1986, a 3-way catalytic converter became commonplace. The last units of the 126 S-Class saloons left the Sindelfingen line in autumn 1991. In the company's history to date, this type was the most successful in the upper range. A total of 818,036 cars were manufactured.